Japanese is one of the easiest languages to communicate in, but one of the hardest to truly master. Why can Japanese be so easy? First, Japanese has a very flexible word order. Even when words are rearranged, people can often understand what you mean from the context. Japanese also allows you to leave out words that would normally be required in English. You can often leave out the subject, the object, or even both. For example, I love you can become love you in casual English. But in Japanese, aishiteru can leave out both I and you. And there is another important reason. Japanese people often try to understand what you mean, even when your Japanese is not perfect. So you can communicate surprisingly well with relatively simple Japanese. But this is where Japanese becomes difficult. To truly master Japanese, knowing the grammar and vocabulary is not enough. You have to understand the situation, consider the other person's feelings, and choose the right words for each situation. Japanese has many ways to say essentially the same thing, depending on who you are talking to and how you want to sound. Even pronunciation can be tricky. Japanese does not have tones like Chinese, so it may seem easier at first. But Japanese has pitch accent, and the pitch pattern can change the meaning of a word. For example, hashi can mean bridge or chopsticks, depending on the pitch pattern. So Japanese may be easy to start speaking, because context does a lot of the work. But the better you want to speak Japanese, the more you have to understand the people, the culture, and the situation. That is why Japanese can be easy to communicate in, but incredibly difficult to master.